Hi guys, Carl Eriksson here from SE Automation. We're in our workshop in Täby, Stockholm, Sweden, and we have a project where we are grinding a steel box which has been welded with a robot. So what we're doing is we're putting the box with some powerful PIAB vacuum grippers. We're putting it against the vertical belt grinder and we're rounding off the corners of the box. Let's see if it works. So don't limit yourself to small applications with these robots. The simple and ease of use can be really transferred into these kinds of operations where you have the know-how in the operator and where I can help the operator to actually program the robot to do what they do every day.